with it, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Fumi. Thank you all to all my new subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, make sure y'all click that red subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Like some videos, comment. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for sticking this far. Tell your friends, tell your homies, everybody to subscribe to my channel. And let's get into the video. As y'all can see from the title, we're going to be doing a try-on slash unboxing of my Fashionnova. I didn't order that much stuff this time, but I ordered some pretty cool pieces, so I just wanted y'all, you know, to see it. And I just love Fashionnova. Like, I love Fashionnova. So Fashionnova executives, PR team, ambassadors, all of that, if you're watching this, tell Fashionnova to slide in my email or my DMs. I'm still working on my week. Ooh, my robe is unraveling. But without further ado, let me try on and unbox the first item. Okay, so my speaker's in the way. So we open the box or the bag. Get it open. So the first thing I got, oh, this is like this is like a harness. I don't know if I can see it. This is super cute. So you wear it, it looks like this. And you wear this part, like this part goes at your back. You could just wear it like over a shirt. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. But this is really, I love this. I hope it fits because it looks kind of big. And I don't see where you can like adjust it other than back here and like in the front. So we're gonna see about that. But this is really cute. And then what did I get? Well, I got a bodysuit. This is called Hips for Days. This is a Hips for Days bodysuit. I got it in an extra small. You see it? Extra small. I like my stuff to be a little. Keep flashing, y'all. I like my stuff to be a little fitted, a little tight, because you know I'm so like small. So I like my clothes to be like extra like tight on me. But this is really cute. Like, it's high. So like when you wear like jeans, like you're gonna be able to like, I don't know how to describe it. You're gonna be able to see like the hips part right here. So that's really cute. Love that. Oh, this is my Melanie mock neck bodysuit. So it's just a bodysuit, but it's like a turtleneck kind of look, and that's really what I was going for. So it's just like not a turtleneck, but just a little high collar bodysuit. Really cute. Wear to class. Just throw it on with some jeans or anything like that. These are my On the Rise cargo joggers. Y'all see it? I really needed a pair of joggers in my closet, but not like throw-on joggers. I wanted some cute like joggers that I could wear with like some heels. So I got these in a small. I maybe should have got them in a medium because I wanted that baggy look, but I don't know. They look pretty big, pretty baggy maybe. And then it has adjustable like elastic straps in the front, so it can be like baggy, but my waist will be like really snatched and cute, which is the look I'm going for. And they look pretty big, so I should be okay. I was going for the more bigger look. Now like that with the high waist, the high cut bodysuit, the one I showed y'all, that would be a look. That's a look, honey. Oh, I forgot I got this. So I'm really into like oversized stuff right now. I don't know why, but I wanted this oversized shirt, and I think I got it in a medium. So I have these like rhinestone tights I got from Amazon, and I'm probably gonna wear them with this, or I'll probably wear this with like some high knee, some, what did I say, thigh high heels. But yeah, this orange is gonna be bomb. This is really cute. You know, if you're going out and just want a simple look that's still like cute, that is called the You Can Get It top, and I got it in a medium. And then, oh, I just got this little bra to go with one of the shirts they told me. Oh, I have I'm tripping. The shirt that I have that I want to wear with the next item I'm going to show y'all is see-through. So I needed a bra to go with it. So I just got this big secret strapless bra, sticky, you know, just a bra. Then I got these shoes, these heels. So these are pants, but they're heels. So I know y'all probably thinking, what? Pants with their heels? Yeah, these are pants, but they're heels. And I've been dying to get my hands on these. I don't know how I'm gonna put them on. But look, see how they're like pants up here? Keep going, keep going, keep going. Heels at the bottom. This is a look. Okay, this is a look. If y'all don't know, this is about to be it. And it's like stretchy, so you just wear these as pants, and you could like, they're not see-through or nothing. Yeah, no, they're not see-through or anything. So you could either wear this with a top over it, or you could wear something like a bodysuit. That's how I'm gonna dress it. I'm gonna wear this with a bodysuit, because it's so like fitted, and I want the entire, I want people to know that these are pants but heels. So if you wear it with like a top or oversized top maybe over it, people probably won't exactly know that, okay, those are pants and heels. So I'm gonna wear it so people know, like, yes, these are pants but they're heels, boo. 2 in 1. These are so cute. Like, I really love these. And they have, Fashionnova has these in pink, and they have them in like a neon like green color. I just recently saw the black pair because Jada, she wore them on her Instagram, and I was like, oh, they got them in black now? Bet I'm gonna get them in black. So yeah, these are cute. So now I'm gonna show y'all how I would pair all these different looks, from the shoes to the t-shirt to everything. I'm gonna show y'all how I would pair it and what kind of outfits I would wear with each one, just so you can get a real life like vision of how they look on. And if you're small like me, if you know you should get the same size, or if you're a little bigger than me, what sizes will work for you, or maybe you want to size down for that extra fitted look. Who knows? That's how I like my clothes. So without further ado, let's get to trying on clothes. The shirt looks real cute. As you can see, it looks like a big dress, and you can wear it with like a pair of heels. I have on some black heels with a clear bottom. Style it how you would like. Maybe a cute purse. Maybe you could put a belt if you would like a, to give your waist like, you know, a little to add a little, you know, shape. Or this harness that I got, I could probably try to put on with it to give. This is the same outfit, but I have on a harness with it to give it, you know, a little flair, a little look. And this is how the back looks. You can adjust it. And this is the front. So yeah, I got this all on Fashionnova. I wanted a corset, but they didn't have any, so I got this instead. So these are the pants I got. These are joggers. I've been looking for some cute joggers to, you know, piece with some outfits, because all my joggers are like sweatpants. So I got these. They don't have any pockets, but they have like adjustable things. And y'all can see like how they look at the bottom. Dress them up, dress them down. They got like little scrunchy things. Don't look at my feet. But this is how they look. Give it real, what my friend say, what you say? Throwback. Yeah, throwback vibes. Okay, so this is my favorite piece. This is the Hips for Days bodysuit. This is really tight. I got an extra small, and I should have got maybe a small, because now I'm having to pull it and stuff. But I like it because you can, you know, see a little bit of skin. You can wear like something like this, like the joggers, or maybe something high-waisted, like some high-waist jeans. You can really dress this up, dress it down, but I really like it. Only thing is, it's tight, but I like this shirt. And it's all spandex. You can see my nipples. This is my favorite piece from my shopping haul, and it's these pants that are heels, and I just love them so much. Y'all see the heels? Hold on, wait, let me get on this side. Y'all see them? These are so cute. Like, this was the best $50 I ever spent. But I had to keep on, so it really wasn't 50. But it's I got a small, and like the pants and the shoes are a size 7. So I know some people were asking like, how do you make sure like your pants and like your shoe size like go together? And honestly, you just gotta take a good guess. Because I just guessed that like a person with a size 7 like foot would be able to fit like a small or something like that. Yeah. But you probably just really gotta take a guess. Because if you get a size 6, if I would have got a size 6, this would have been like way too tight. And I probably wouldn't be able to pull my pants up. But yeah, I would just say take a guess. Read some reviews too and see what other people say, because different people like way different and stuff like that. So that should be able to help you. Okay, so this is the final look. It's a skirt and a top. This is how the back looks. It's open. I like this color because it matches my skin tone, and it's kind of like nudes, like browns. Y'all don't mind the flash. My friends are taking pictures of me in the background, but don't pay them no attention. But this is a 2-piece, real cute, real tight. I think I got this in a small. Yo, they're goofy. Y'all are goofy.
That's so funny.
This is how it looks. This is real cute going out. Like to the club. I was gonna say like for drinks or something, but no, it's kind of too much. But this is how it looks. Thank you all for watching my video. Make sure y'all comment, like, thumbs up, and subscribe to F by Fumi TV.